What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning into another video. The zr1 back, man. Made a little bit of power, so I thought I'd do a first reaction little vlog, like a first drive pull. Like I've driven it, I've done like half a pull, not too many. So for the people who are new on the channel, guys, the car, I just got it back from getting it tuned. Doesn't have much done to it. It has a pulley, it has headers, and it has an intake. That's it. And then it has the unlocked ECM from HB tuners, or PCM, whatever you want to call it. Damn, there's so much shit back there, man. Right here get hella hot, bro. I definitely need some cooling mods. I know after like one pull, this bitch is about to get hot right now. That's what happens when you pulley these cars without, you know, the proper cooling mods. Damn. Right, little second gear hit. Ready? Y'all ready? Traction on those, so like, you know, it keeps the car in check. It doesn't let it get too loose. If I had traction control off, I would have been fucking going slow. Not hella sideways, but you could tell that it gets a little out of hand sometimes. Not out of my hand though. Car looks good. Felt good, man, but like, you guys gotta realize I used to have a 1,000 horsepower Z06, so I mean, it feels fast, but it doesn't feel like insanely fast, you know? I can feel the power in second gear, so I don't really see the point of going all the way into top of fourth at the moment, especially because my splitter's on, so I really don't want that thing to blow off. Nothing much to it, man. Thank you guys for watching the videos. I hope you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the pulls of the C7 ZR1. Like I said, it makes upward of 700 wheel horsepower, almost 800. So, hit that like and subscribe, and Let's keep on rocking.